Hello everyone, welcome to my unique classes with Sonu channel. I I will discuss about the second chapter of the sound of music of class ninth English. The sound of music. The sound of music. Author Deborah Cowley. Deborah Cowley is the chapter of the sound of music. First part, Evelyn Glennie listen to sound without hearing. The sound of music, namely the story of the sound of music is divided into two parts. First part, Evelyn Galani listened to sound without hearing, and the sound of music is composed by the author Deborah Cowley. Deborah Cowley is the author of the sound of music, but we will discuss about the story of the first part of the sound of music is Evelyn listened to sound without hearing, but we will discuss about the story of the first part Evelyn listened to sound without hearing today. Main characters of Evelyn listened to sound without hearing. First part of the sound of music is given as below. First, Evelyn Glennie. Second main character is Isabel Glennie. Third main character is percussionist Ran Farbus. Now we will know the story of the first part. Evelyn Galani listened to sound without hearing with the help of main character Evelyn Galani, Isabel Galani, and percussionist Ran Farbus. Hence, please pay attention about the story of the first part of the sound of music. But I will discuss about the second part of the sound of music to next class. Hence, please pay attention about the story of first part of the sound of music today with the help of main characters Evelyn Galani, Isabel Galani, and also third main character is percussionist Ron Farbus. Evelyn Galani, we will know about the introduction of Evelyn Galani. Evelyn Galani is a slight girl. She was deaf girl She was 17 years old girl student. Also is about introduction of Isabel Gilani. Isabel Gilani is the mother of Evelyn Gilani. Percunist run forwards. Percunist run forwards which Percunist run forwards. Percunist run forwards is the best teacher of Evelyn Gilani. This is called introduction of main character of first part. Evelyn Gilani listen to sound without hearing. Now let we define about the whole story of the sound of music. Please pay attention about the whole story of the sound of music with the help of English without Hindi for some time. Please pay attention in English that what is the story of the sound of music. When Evelyn Gilani is situated in the platform of train, then train is approaching before the Evelyn Gilani, and then Evelyn Gilani cannot hear the sound of train, and Evelyn Gilani can feel the vibration of the sound of music. Hence because Evelyn Gilani was deaf, hence Evelyn Gilani cannot hear the sound of train and can feel the sound, feel the vibration of sound. Evelyn Gilani went to know the sound of music, went to feel the vibration of sound, and she went to Royal Academy of Music. Royal Academy is the institute of London which is situated in London. Evelyn Gilani went to the Royal Academy of Music. Then Evelyn Gilani met percussionist Ron Forbes. Ron Forbes told about Evelyn Gilani because Ron Forbes recognized the potential energy of Evelyn Gilani, that Evelyn Gilani can learn music because she has very potential energy to learn the music. Percussionist Ron Forbes told about Evelyn Gilani. Namely, Ron Forbes told Evelyn Gilani that you can feel the sound of music, the vibration of sound of music, because God may have taken your hearing, but God given you something extraordinary potential energy in your life to change in future. Hence, please should we struggle to obtain this something extraordinary potential energy. Hence, please pay attention about the story of the sound of music. According to Evelyn, listen to sound without hearing. Evelyn Gilani was a slight girl. She was 17 years old girl student. Isabel Gilani is the mother of Evelyn Gilani. Percussionist Ron Forbes is the best teacher of Evelyn Gilani. When percussionist Ron Forbes met Evelyn Gilani, and percussionist Ron Forbes then recognized the potential energy of Evelyn Gilani, and percussionist Ron Forbes encouraged Evelyn Gilani that you can learn, you can feel the vibration of the sound of music. Hence, please pay attention about the story of three main characters about the story of first part. Evelyn listened to sound without hearing. Evelyn Gilani when reached Royal Academy of Music. Royal Academy of Music is institute which is situated in London, and percussionist Ran Farvers met with Evelyn Galani in Royal Academy of Music. Then some teachers of Royal Academy of Music discouraged Evelyn Galani that you cannot learn, you cannot change in your life with music, because you cannot hear, you are deaf, hence you cannot learn. But percussionist Ran Farvers is best teacher of Evelyn Galani, and percussionist Ran Farvers encouraged Evelyn Galani, you can learn, you can feel the vibration of the sound of music. Hence percussionist Ran Farvers encouraged Evelyn Galani, and Evelyn Galani think about that I can feel the vibration of the sound of music. One day Isabel Galani called Evelyn Galani, but Evelyn Galani did not reply the answer of her mother Isabel Galani, because she was very deep. Hence Evelyn Galani cannot reply the answer of Isabel Galani. Then Isabel Galani understood that my daughter Evelyn Galani is deaf, hence she could not reply my answer. Then Isabel Galani thought as about the condition of Evelyn Galani, but Evelyn Galani did not forsake her whole life in his future, but she want to change in life for good future, and she wants to know the vibration of sound of music. Percussionist Ran Farvers is the best teacher of Evelyn Galani. Percussionist Ran Farvers encouraged Evelyn Galani that you cannot hear the sound of music, but you can feel the vibration of the sound of music. Hence percussionist Ran Farvers because recognized the potential energy of Evelyn Galani. Isabel Galani is the mother of Evelyn Galani. When Evelyn Galani admitted in the Royal Academy of Music. Royal Academy of Music is the institute of London which is situated in London. When admitted in Institute Royal Academy of Music to learn, to feel the sound of music, to make the live music, she admitted in Royal Academy of Music. But when Evelyn Galani give test in the Institute Royal Academy of Music, then Evelyn Galani obtained score then high score. Evelyn Galani obtained high score than the score of other of history of music of Royal Academy of Music. Namely, I want to speak about the Evelyn Galani, that Evelyn Galani when give test in Royal Academy of Music, and that time Evelyn Galani obtained the high score than score of Royal Academy of Music in the history. Then this is very good opportunity to feel the sound of vibration, to learn the sound of music. This is the best opportunity of Evelyn Galani in the Institute of Royal Academy of Music. Percussionist Ron Forbes is the best teacher of Evelyn Galani. One day, Evelyn Galani obtained her goal life, and that time she wanted to show the name of her parents, and she want she changed in her life, but Evelyn Galani did not forsake her goal life. That how can I change the goal life? Because Evelyn Galani did not want to forsake her goal life. That I she determined in mind that I can change in life with the help of music of sound. Hence, the story of the sound of music, according to first part, you will listen to sound without hearing, is end from here. I hope that this video is feeling very good. Hence, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.